Hi, this is Walker, and I'm with Sell House Columbus, and this is Robert. We are purchasing his home today, and how did you hear about us, Robert?
I heard about y'all online doing online searching. It's my first time ever selling a home. It's also my first time trying to buy a home as well. Uh, the process for looking, I was up against a lot, but Sell Columbus came first. So I chose it. It was pretty adequate. It was what I was looking for as far as what information I needed to sell my home.
Okay, awesome. And how's your experience been working with us?
Oh, it's been great. Real fast. I really didn't have to do too much of anything. Just go over with Walker the steps, come to the office. Everything was done for me.
Awesome. And I know you said this is your first time selling your house, and I know earlier we were talking, and you said you were a little, skeptical and didn't want to be taken advantage of. So what would you say to someone else that's in a similar situation to you, and why would you recommend them to us? Why would you recommend them working with us?
There's a lot of competitors out there. A lot of people who will try to buy your house for pennies and peanuts, who will just randomly give you a closing total number and want to be done with it. Sell Columbus actually gave me other options. It wasn't just solely they was working for themselves. They told me I could go elsewhere with other people. I could do this. Gave me other competitors' pricing. So it showed me that they were a real legitimate and upfront, honest company.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I'm glad that you chose us, and we're glad that we can get this deal done together with you. And I thank you for your time, Robert.
Thank you, Walker.
Yes, sir.